Hey there, my name is Mike, and today I'm going to show you how to make a simple fire using obviously wood and a lighter and a pocket knife. Obviously make sure to have a shovel with you at all times for safety to be able to put the fire out. You angle your pocket knife onto the wood and you can just cut downward like this, making a little bit of tear. So you want to make about 20 of these little pieces and that'll get your fire going pretty smoothly. Now if your knife isn't sharp enough, or if you want bigger pieces, what you can do is you can get the knife on top of the piece like this, hammer onto the knife. Now that should be enough. Now our goal with this is to create a fire using like one match or one attempt with the lighter. So let's go ahead and collect our clippings. You're going to take your long pieces and make a little box, just like a tic-tac-toe kind of a grid. You're going to keep going, and what this does is it creates enough airflow to allow the fire to light. Now once you've done your little house, you're going to take the rest of your shavings and put it in the middle of the little grid that you created. So it should look like a cabin with the shavings in the middle. And this should start with one match or one lighter attempt. Now before you light your fire, if you wish, you can create a teepee with the rest of your firewood. So you can arrange your wood in a way to continue allowing airflow inside to feed the fire so that you don't smother the flames, which need oxygen to burn. One lighter strike should be able to start this fire enough to create hot coals and then burn the rest of the logs surrounding it. That's it. So once your mini fire is a decent size, you can go ahead and start piling the logs on. And once that's caught on, you can add the larger logs on top, and then you'll go ahead and ignite those and create your campfire. So as you can see, the little mini fire in the center is lighting the larger log, and in about a minute or two, you'll have a huge fire. Alright guys, so if you enjoyed this video on how to get lit with one match or one lighter strike, be sure to check out nestednature.com where you'll find a lot more cool camping videos and camping trips. Thanks for watching.